Why aren't you giving up?
Hello guys, and today is my 65th video, and we have reached 4 years on YouTube. 4-year anniversary. You already know the date. I started YouTube now by the time this is out, I've been out on YouTube for 4 years. To celebrate me being on YouTube for 4 years, I'll be making 2 videos which will be 4-year anniversary theme. This video will be 10 tips on how to start a good YouTube channel, and my next video will be a house tour and memorable moments in my video. So let's get straight on with this video, and thank you guys. 4 years on YouTube, 14,000 views, 106 subs. It's quite big numbers, but 50 likes, 10 dislikes. I'm sad. Anyway, let's start off the video. Facts number 1, be positive, be happy in your videos. Don't be sad, be happy in your videos. Don't be like, hey guys, go, hello guys. Not too energetic. Make sure you're happy, like, hey guys, not, hey guys. You know, like how Stampy was in his first videos. He was not happy, was he? Now he has only 9 million subs. However, he's not getting much more, unlike PewDiePie with his overtaking of T-Series, and he has won, which is very good. PewDiePie could be a good inspiration. I also watch, not just this one, but other tips on how to start a good YouTube channel. Like Wolfhounder GX has made a good one about how to make an intro, and other apps to edit, and it's all pretty good stuff you should watch. Number 2, do gaming. Do Fight Night? Fortnite. Yes, I got it. Fortnite, that's it, Fortnite. Do Fortnite in your videos, guys. That'll get you a lot of views. You've seen them. You've seen me do Minecraft. And I've actually managed to do that in full screen. Do you know how hard that is for editing? And you guys have only given me 60 views. You're not even giving me like £5 for that. Thank you guys. But seriously though, guys, gaming, tutorial videos also do quite well. So make sure you sort of stick to a good sort of thing. I don't mean that I do unboxing, Lego reviews. Stick to like gaming and Fortnite is a good way to start a YouTube channel, which is why I put that in the number 2 spot. Number 3, don't make videos too long. Never make videos too long. I would say max video 15 minutes. Otherwise it's just too long, guys. And also, guys, the thing about that is, like, if you make a 20-minute video for your first video, you know, you just want to make a short, snappy 1-minute video for your, like, a trailer. And I say my video is only like 6 minutes, because that's all I need. 7 minutes, 6 minutes. That's all you need for a good sort of YouTube channel video length, and that's why I would say that's a good tip for you. Or if you are going to make a long video, like I said, gaming, or maybe a prank. Pranks are pretty good style of YouTubing, and that's why I put that number 3. Number 4, make an intro and outro. Intros and outros are pretty good, because people will go like, throughout one, you know, he's not very good at YouTube, she's not very good at one. That's a good way to start. Like me, I didn't used to have an intro. Then I moved to paper intros. Now I have a full-on good intro, and use Panzoid. Panzoid is good about. And in one of my next videos about this tutorial videos, I'll show you how to make a good intro, as well as some more rating videos. I have more rating videos I've made now. Star Wars, Harry Potter, Back to the Future. I'm using I made rating Indiana Jones films. Yeah, James Bond is next, I guess. But seriously though, guys, yeah, number 4, definitely do good intros. Make an intro, make an outro. Intros and outros, that's key. So that's why I put that at number 4. Number 5, edit. Edit. That's all you should do. Eat, sleep, edit, repeat. Editing videos is good. For this, you should use iMovie. iMovie for free. Download the app. That's good. Also, GarageBand for your intros, like I used to use. Yeah. And this is a Minecraft top, guys, by the way. Yeah. Seriously though, guys, editing is very good. If without editing, you know, people aren't gonna watch your video. But editing things and a little funny meme in it, it's pretty good. That's why you should use editing in your videos. Number 6, tell people to like, comment and subscribe, and turn post notifications on. Also, once you have uploaded a video, put it on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Make sure, because then people will click onto your videos. And also, guys, if you make a hotel review like me, then put it on sort of a hotel's blog if they don't mind, then you'll get even more views and probably some more subscribers. So that's why you should probably stick to making videos go viral, let everyone know them, and yeah. Number 7, make sure all your videos are in HD, because if they're not in HD, then people aren't going to watch them. 4K is better. Use a proper GoPro, use a proper camera, use proper material, sort of stuff, and use a proper stand like this one. Proper stand to make sure people can watch your videos. And yeah, that sort of ties into editing, but make sure you use proper camera, HD. Make sure all your videos in HD or 4K, and use proper camera equipment. That's why it's at number 7. Number 8, thank people for your accomplishments. You know, since you hit that 10 subscribers, 25, 50, 100, 250, 500, thank people. Thank people for the views. Thank people every video for subscribing. And spend a whole minute of your first video, you can say thank you for subscribing. Only when you hit the milestone, don't keep saying it. I always sound like a beggar. Remember guys, when you hit milestones, thank people for it. So that's why I would say that's number 8. Number 9, don't make 2-in-1 videos. Just make one solid video, like, not like I'm going to play Fortnite and then I'm going to do a Lego unboxing. Just stick to one. You know, just stick to one proper solid video, and that should crank up the views. Don't just do what, because otherwise people will just want to see one thing, otherwise there could be other things, you'll just get less views and no one's going to really search for that. So I make it nice, searchable, and you know, really just stick to one thing per video. Number 10, never give up. Believe in yourself. How do you think I've got this far? 4 years. 4 years, guys. A whole 4 years I've been doing YouTube now. Since I was 8, I'm now 12, nearly 13. I done this most by self-confidence and you guys. So I'm not going to get much subscribers, but I'm just doing it to show you that just by a little kid, you can do anything. Like Dante DM, his first video, he was 16. Now look at him, the most paid YouTuber in the world. So that's why we put that at number 10 spot. Thank you guys are awesome. Thank you for listening to this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn post notifications on so you don't miss out on my next video, which will be a little sort of second parter, which will be a 4-year anniversary, which will be another part of my 2 4-year anniversary videos I just saw. It will be a house tour. I'll be showing memorable moments in my house and giving you a house tour / memorable moments, and yeah. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and goodbye. See you next time.